hardest part of any journey, other than the preparation, is the first step. We're here at Bryce Slopper to get our groceries for the trip, which we should be further underway than we are now. We're supposed to leave at noon, but it looks like we're struggling to get everything together, despite all our other preparations. Away we go. Yay! We're crossing over the Missouri River. Woohoo! On a brand new bridge. Let this guy out. I don't remember this.
Turn right.
It says turn right. Crazy.
Where's their office? Oh, it's 37 to 57. I don't know, honey.
I think this is the office here. But if not, we can turn around.
Arrived. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's get the... I think I remember this was kind of...
It would be over there, I think.
Alright. Do you want me to come down?
Yeah. I think they've added on to this place. I don't remember this at all.
I can't at all remember. Was this when you went to Nebraska or something? I can't remember.
Jim.
Zach, don't let him. Just be quiet.
Map. P66.
Can you see? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at there's lights. Ice cream.
All right. We are here. We're queer. Get used to it.